Welcome. We calculate the basicity order of these four compounds. These four compounds containing nitrogen atom. These four compounds containing nitrogen atom. First, what is basicity? Basicity means to donate electron pairs. To donate electron pairs. It also measure of the electron donating power of the molecule. The nature of less basic is there is delocalization of electron. Less basic means delocalization of electron. Second, the S character of nitrogen atom increase. S character of the nitrogen atom more or increase. These two character will affect the basic character. So less basic mean it is a delocalization of, it contains a delocalization of electron, and S character has more. Okay. The fourth compound, we consider the fourth compound. The fourth compound, the nitrogen atom in this fourth compound has lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons involved in the delocalization. It contains two double bonds. So this electron pairs involved in the delocalization. So the resonance will appear. So less basic. Compare with other three compounds. Fourth one is the very less nature. Fourth one is the very less nature. Other three compounds, we apply the S character. This is the cyclo compound. This also cyclo compound. So cyclo compound has the hybridization as sp3. Compound 1 and compound 3 has sp3 hybridization. Compound 2 has the hybridization as sp2. So compound 2 has high S character. Compound 2 has the high S character. So it is the less basic nature. Compound 2 also less basic nature. Compare compound 1 and compound 3. Compare compound 1 and compound 3. Say compound 1, say compound 3. This compound 3 has the oxygen atom. This oxygen atom pull the electron from this lone pair of electron in nitrogen atom. So it is the less basic nature. This oxygen atom pull the electron from the nitrogen atom. The electron will move away from the nitrogen atom. So it is a less basic. So compare these four compounds. Compound 1 is high basic nature. Compound 3, next compound 2 and compound 4. So compound 1 is more basic. Compound 3, compound 2, compound 4. So option D is correct. Thank you.